sequence 195, 383, 575 and 763. So let us first apply our arithmetic sequence rules. Arithmetic sequence rules are, for example, addition or subtraction. We can but first of all, looking at the numbers, we can simply here also see that first number and this first number, they have a difference of 2. 3 and 5 have a difference of 2, and 5 and 7 have a difference of 2, and similarly 9 and 7 have a difference of 2. So let's see if there is a pattern. 9 and 8 has a difference of 1, 8 and 7 has a difference of 1, 7 and 6 has a difference of 1, and then 6 and 5 has a difference of 1. Then this 5 and then 3 have a difference of 2, and then we have again 5, which is plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, and then again 3 and again 5. So the last number will be 5. So last number will be 3 because there is alternating 5 and 3. And the second number will be, because it is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, it will be 4. The first number will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, difference of 2, so 11. 43 is going to be the next number in the sequence. So similarly, after that we will have again a plus 2, which is 13 in the first place, and then 5, 7, 6, because there's a difference of 1 in the middle digit, so it is 3. And last digit is always alternating 5 and 3 as we see here, so it will be 13, 35, the next digit. So this way we can find all the remaining numbers of this sequence. Another way to solve this is simply to do this: 383 minus 195, try to do this addition or subtraction rule. So we have done this, like we subtracted the second number with the first one, we got 188. We subtracted 575 with 383, we got 192. And the difference between these two, 763 and 575, is again 188. And then difference between 955 minus 763, this is 192. So next should be again a difference of 188. So let's say 188, it means we should add in 955 188. So if we add 955 in 188 and 955, we will get 1143, which is the same as we found by the other method. So you saw we could solve this number sequence, in two ways. So, but the easier way was, I think, this one, because you can easily see that the first digit has a difference of 2 in each of these numbers. The second digit has a difference of -1. You see it is decreasing by 1, and the third digit is alternating 5 and 3. So you should always look for the individual digits also. It's very important to look also for the individual digits, because sometimes this gives you a very quick insight. You can just solve the question in 4 or 5 seconds. Individual, TUAL, individual digits, in the group. For example, this is a group of digits, 383, and in this group you have to see individual digits. Then there's another group, like these numbers, take these numbers as a group of digits. So that's another of our questions solved. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can click the bell icon below to subscribe the channel, and please like the video. Thanks.